Welcome to our video discussion on BART versus ChatGPT for data science. Today, we'll compare two powerful language models and explore their capabilities in the field of data science. I'm excited to share with you the similarities, differences, and strengths of these AI models. So let's dive in. First, let's meet our contenders. BART is the latest text generation model developed by Google, while ChatGPT is reigning solution for data science from OpenAI. When it comes to programming workflows, BART demonstrates its strength in providing alternative solutions for code optimization requests. However, BART falls short in explaining code errors and lacks the ability to generate datasets or perform complex data manipulations. Using natural language to write SQL queries is an essential use case in data analytics. BART shines in this area by accurately writing queries and even going extra mile to sort the results for better readability. ChatGPT proves to be the winner in data analysis workflows with its ability to generate datasets and perform intricate data manipulations. When it comes to data visualization, BART performs well in simple tasks such as creating scatter plots. However, it falls short in more complex visualization tasks like drawing line plots with multiple lines and utilizing popular plotting packages like ggplot and R. While BART struggles in machine learning workflows, ChatGPT shines with its expertise. ChatGPT's understanding of Python's machine learning libraries makes it a reliable partner in tackling ML challenges. BART demonstrates competence in sentiment analysis, a crucial task in quantifying product reviews. On the other hand, ChatGPT provides reliable sentiment analysis by considering individual lines separately. In translation tasks, BART disappoints by providing an English explanation instead of delivering a complete response in French. ChatGPT takes the lead here by providing accurate translation. BART effectively explains technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders, while ChatGPT delivers concise and readable summaries of research articles. While BART shows promise as a text generation model, it still has notable gaps in knowledge, particularly in code explanation and Python machine learning. ChatGPT, on the other hand, consistently delivers high-quality output and provides valuable assistance across various data science workflows. As of now, ChatGPT reigns supreme, but we eagerly await BART's progress and anticipate healthy competition in the field of generative AI. These advancements will undoubtedly benefit the world and further empower data scientists like us. Thank you for joining us in exploration of BART versus ChatGPT for data science. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our related resources to enhance your data science journey.